Nagsala ka pala kami ng musika. Ayos naman.
This is Michael Bauer of the Philippines. He tries to shut up and oh man, he's drunk, you know. And what about this?
Not yet.
What about this? What about this guy? He's drunk. He's drunk like a fever, you know.
Oh, come on.
Oh, shut up, Kevin. I know you're drunk. You're drunk.
The man who handled the video is drunk. God damn it.
Biju, shut up. You have the right to remain silent.
Din, pare. The man who handled the video is drunk already.
And as I've said you before, Basalin, you have the right to remain silent.
Who are you, by the way?
I am Moy Christopher Tunak,
Why you tell that?
residing at Barangay 1 San Roque, Bintang, Ilocos Norte.
Whatsoever? God damn it.
I'm not policeman.
So, I'm a reporter.
So what? So what?
Ang alignment.
Kalimesikan. And this is Jap. Jap is a
Madi
good.
pa nag-video mo, madi ano?
Jap is a good.
Totok man yun.
An.
Oye.
Gisang
Kid.
Gisang Kid.
Madi pa nag-video na lang.
Takarot yun mo sino? Bagam. Or sino? Bagam. Wen.
Manong.
Warga sih ka.
Jay.
Wen, or sino ko lang?
Ito mamorti pang talog.
Silio. Silio.
Lebro.
Yung pare, baka mo rin sino.
Wala kami yung pera ngayon, bro.
Wen, or sino. Wen.
Wala ka ba naman tayo doon eh, ha? Yun yun.
Misabay. Oh, pare, anak magawan.
Dala ka,
Nakiram yan.
alam na dala yun, naka...
Alip, atak.
Daman,
Ako rin kami na, di mo ako sa na. Video ito eh.
Ako makita kayo kuha mo dyan kahit. Magtala ko ng video mo, di ka naman ba? Kita ka kuha mo dyan kahit.
Boss Allen May Kayong.
Di ka kami di kiraman namin.